So as I'm sitting here with my second head, with my carb cleaner waiting for this, I decided to take off this, and I'm going to show you why, even though these are brand new heads and you think you can just bolt them on, you're probably going to have to take some time cleaning them, because look at this. You can see there are still pretty massive pieces of debris from the machining that you definitely don't want. I'll show you right here. And this is just what's on the tape. You know, I don't know what else is in there that's just not on the tape. So you definitely want to take some time and clean it. That's just the way things are. I'm sure they, you know, did some cleaning, put some air through this, but like everything else, probably transport, you know, ended up loosening up what else was in there. So it's up to you. You can throw it on, but this will end up somewhere in your motor. Probably not the best course of action.